Alright guys, a very warm welcome to BodyProCoach Nutrition. I am Maahek Nair and today I'm going to be sharing you my secret detox drink. So whenever I go on a detox, I usually make this drink and it is excellent healing drink, extremely tasty and highly nutritious. Let's quickly go and see the recipe of our turmeric tonic. Turmeric tonic, that's what we need for a turmeric tonic. That's turmeric, ginger, carrot and orange. Let's quickly go and see the recipe. Our turmeric tonic is ready. So our turmeric tonic is ready. It's an excellent source of curcumin. That means it has anti-inflammatory properties. It has excellent medicinal properties of healing. That means it's an excellent drink. It's extremely nutritious. It is a best detox drink ever. Thank you for watching our video. Request you to please subscribe our channel, hit that bell button so that you get intimation of all my videos. Request you to please watch the playlist. I have videos on training, nutrition, Maahek core pilates and lots of information videos. That means everything you require on one platform. That's BodyProCoach. Thank you so much. See you next time.